This is the Rush Athletics money rope, and this is the second order I placed with Rush Athletics. The first order never got delivered. Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. It was in the middle of 2020 that I had placed my first order with Rush Athletics. If I remember right, I had placed an order for 7 or 8 ropes, and the order value was something like 75 or 80 British pounds. So I went ahead and selected the ropes I wanted to buy, put it in the shopping cart, made the payment, and then I got an email confirmation with the order details. Then I waited 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, nothing happened. So I got in touch with the company. After a few email exchanges, the order was cancelled and I got my refund. I don't blame anyone for this. If you remember the middle of 2020, it was the peak of the pandemic, lockdowns everywhere, and all the shipping companies were facing a lot of load also. But certainly yes, I was a bit disappointed. Only reason being, I felt maybe I'll never use a Rush Athletic ropes ever. Fast forward to March 2025, I had a friend traveling from UK. So I called and spoke to him, and I checked with him if he can bring me a jump rope if I place an order for it on Amazon. He said, no problem, I'll get it provided I get the rope in my hand on time. So I went to Amazon UK. My first preference was to place an order for the Rush Athletics Legacy rope because I like heavy ropes. But the delivery date of the Legacy rope was not matching with my friend's travel plan. So I went ahead and placed the order for this 5mm PVC rope, also called the money rope. And I think this is the money rope version 1, which got delivered on time, and here I have it in my hand. The first time I placed the order for 7 or 8 ropes, and the second time I placed the order for 1 rope. On both occasions, the purpose of ordering was not to review it or put it through some lab test or give some star ratings. So why did I buy the ropes from Rush Athletics? Rishi from Rush Athletics has been a trailblazer in the jump rope space, and he's been a big inspiration for many of us, me included, and I'm sure many of you viewers are also included in that. So the first order which never got delivered and the second order which is there in my hand is my way of showing my appreciation to the work Rishi is doing in the jump rope space. I wish him all the best, great health and success in whatever he's doing. Now let's talk about the rope. On Amazon UK, I bought this rope for 17 British pounds. That is about, in today's conversion, 23 US dollars, and in Indian rupees, about 2000 Indian rupees. So that is the price at which I bought it. What I've noticed is there is a price difference between Amazon and the Rush Athletics website, but I went with Amazon because I wanted a guaranteed delivery by a set deadline. Coming to the rope, this is a well-made, decent PVC jump rope. I have other ropes which are similar to this rope. Essentially 3 simple parts. You have the PVC rope, you have the PVC handle, and then you have the plastic stoppers inside. 3 parts, simple jump rope, but functions pretty okay. One standout feature about this jump rope is the length. This rope, this money rope, came at 11 feet length. The majority of the 5mm PVC ropes that are available in the market come at 9 feet length. I am 6 feet tall. With a 5mm PVC rope of 9 feet length, I use it with 2 knots on either side. So 4 knots to reduce the length. Like I've told in many videos, I don't like cutting the jump rope because it reduces the weight of the rope. But in the case of this 11 feet rope, I had to go with 6 knots, 3 knots on each side to bring it to the length which is comfortable to me. And I personally like this color also. Fluorescent green or lime green, whatever you call it, looks good. So friends, that's it about the rope and the story of why I bought the rope. Now what is left? Let us go and jump. That's it for today's video, friends. I hope you liked the short video on Rush Athletics Jump Rope. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, please do leave it in the comment section. It's always a pleasure to read and reply to your comments. Till I see you in the next video, as usual, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.